Hello Leo, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby. We're going straight into your reading. Let's go. Let's see what your incarnation is in this lifetime, Leo. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting you own a bank. Or am I getting you keep the money? Oh, it's veterans, I remember the thing for CP24. No. Anyways, so I'm getting something about bank. You own a financial institution, Leo. You or somebody else, your family own a bank, or that bank branch, okay? What's the spiritual gift? The Fool card. I'm getting you have unlimited access to credit and money. Your family own a bank. So it's not necessarily a gift. I'm getting it's an inherited gift. So you're never out of money. You always have a line of credit. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting a family own a bank, or you do. Or you can always... I'm getting if people need any type of financial documents for approve, to get a house or car, you can get it. That's the gift you have of doing. Now, what your weakness is a 6 of Wands, 6 of Swords. Your strength is the Hermit. So I'm getting something about your family. Leo, I feel like you have a girlfriend and daughter, girlfriend and son, girlfriend and daughter. I'm getting you don't want it anymore. No, maybe at first you were like, hey, everything is great. I have money. It's not anything if I have kids. Yeah, but kids don't only need money. They need attention. And I'm getting you're so used to being so financially independent. Me getting you get a girl pregnant and you left her. You tell her you don't want. You tell her say you will care. You will send her money. You don't want to have nothing to do with she and the kid. Cause me getting you're so used to being so single and free and without care because you had money. So just because you had money, it never means you think money stop baby from coming. You never did you use $100 bill to wrap up your. Cause me getting you send with your wife and baby because you don't want to deal with them. Because you want to be single and me getting you like that life. You like that life. How are you using your family-owned property to help? You're not helping nobody. I'm getting you just trick people and put them in debt. You get to a client, trick them, put them in a debt. Another client, trick them, you put them in a debt. So you're not helping anybody. Or, okay, let me see what you use to destroy them. The Chariots. So I'm getting you and your family own the bank. I'm getting anybody who do anything unlawful in the bank, only work very closely with the police. Credit card scam, anything like that, police is on call. Now, one might say that on helping people who can't find a way out, people who don't have a job, them stuck. Me getting that to tell people that on a bank provide for poor people. Me getting one really do when I make these people write off bankruptcy. Me getting at least 6 clients at the bank that bank where you there or bank with this family. There's something about the banking system saying that you're bankrupt. You file for bankruptcy, Leo. Or me getting you had to file for bankruptcy in order for cover where your money go. Me getting it's going to a woman and a child in another country. But you never want nobody know, so you hide it and file for bankruptcy. Or me getting you were sending money to another country for a woman and a child, but you never want nobody know, so you make the police think that she thief the money. But me getting you send the money abroad. You have a baby and a wife and a woman abroad, you send her money. I don't know if you're Western Union it, where you're zealot. I don't know what you do, but me getting you make the police believe somebody else thief the money when you were sending the money home to a baby mother and child. But me getting nobody don't know say you have a child and kid, Leo. And what is your outcome? The 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting bankruptcy. Or me getting you tell police that somebody thief money. Me getting you have a kid. And maybe you thought taking little money to support the kid, it would have got unnoticed is a human. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck this is. But I'm getting you own a bank, you're one of the most corrupt family them around. You corrupt as fuck. And you look for people who are impoverished, you look for people who don't have much assets. And you use them name. We get in the bank. Pisces, yeah. We're not fraud. I wonder if a Scotia Bank. We're not fraud. We hear CIBC. Could be BMO. Cleanse your space. Me hear Desjardins. Judgment. We have aliens. One more unsolved mystery. Is that the mystery you're trying to solve? Or they told you that somebody was abducted by aliens and the money left with them. Nobody got abducted by aliens. No money left with them. Somebody have a baby mother, them refuse to tell them father, mother, or the police. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.